In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The ambassador of the Islamic Emirate in Moscow meets with Afghan traders residing in Russia. The deputy head of the Afghan Red Crescent Society and representative of Turkey's Directorate of Religious Affairs in Afghanistan hold coordination meeting on support of orphaned children. And the continuation of deteriorating humanitarian situation in Palestine. Welcome to today's news package. It's Tuesday, the 22nd of Shaban al-Mazam 1447, the 21st of Dal 1404, and the 10th of February 2026. The news details. Maulvi Gul Hassan Hassan, the ambassador of the Islamic Emirate in Moscow, met with Afghan traders residing in Russia. The Afghan embassy in Moscow stated that the meeting focused on mutual understanding, coordination, and strengthening of economic relations, as well as discussing the existing challenges in trade between Afghanistan and Russia. During the meeting, Afghan traders shared their concerns and proposals in various fields and called for support, cooperation, and greater attention from the Islamic Emirate. In response, the ambassador encouraged Afghan traders to invest in the country and assured them of full cooperation in the matters related to bilateral trade. A coordination meeting was held between Hafiz Azizur Rahman, the deputy head of Afghan Red Crescent Society, and Merakam Demir, the representative of Turkey's Directorate of Religious Affairs in Afghanistan, focusing on support for orphan children and organizing iftar programs for the needy people in Kabul and several other provinces during the upcoming months of Ramadan. The Afghan Red Crescent Society stated that Maulvi Afizur Rahman emphasized the importance of cooperation among all charitable organizations in supporting orphans during the cold winter season. Meanwhile, Merakam Demir stated that on the occasion of Ramadan, winter clothing would be distributed to orphan children in several provinces and iftar program would be arranged for those in need. The news continuation. Amid heightened tension between Washington and Tehran, the United States has issued new guidelines for its vessel passing through Strait of Hormuz, instructing them to keep away from Iranian waters. Based on a report by Al Jazeera News Network, American captains have also been instructed to refrain from the use of force and to allow inspection if Iranian forces intend to inspect the commercial vessels. And ultimately, the United Nations Relief and Works Agency for Palestinian Refugees, UNRWA, states that it requires $1.26 billion to address the humanitarian crisis in Gaza and the West Bank. The agency stressed that Gaza and the occupied West Bank are facing one of the most severe and prolonged humanitarian crises in recent years, and that fund will be used to provide essential services for 2.4 million people in those areas. We have reached the end of our news program. For further informative materials from Urooj Research and Publication Administration, you could track us on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.